The year 1967, a year of famine. No food, no water, outbreak of epidemics, failure of agricultural crops, mortgage of lands, migration of people, helpless people. Can you simply watch and wait? No. Seeing all this, late retired Reverend Bishop Edwin Pinto S.J. intervened along with other helping hands and provided charity to the needy. 3rd February 1967, Kaira Social Service Society registered both under the Societies Registration Act and as a public trust. A center for justice, peace, development and human dignity. The registered office is in Nadiad. Kaira Social Service Society is serving the needy irrespective of caste, religion and race. Vision: to build a humane society where gospel values such as justice, equality, love and peace are nurtured and live in harmony with nature. Mission: to restore human dignity of the poor and the marginalized through a process of empowerment. KSSS has been functioning successfully in urban and rural areas of Ahmedabad, Kheda and Anand district and Lunawada block of Panchmahal district. Major areas of intervention from 1967 to 2007 are education, female feticide, health and hygiene, agriculture, women empowerment, networking and linkages, promoting peace, disaster management and preparedness, emergency relief in disasters, HIV/AIDS. The beneficiaries of KSSS include women, children, people living with HIV/AIDS, youth, tribal, Dalits, migrant workers and other backward classes. In the past years, KSSS has implemented programs on agriculture and irrigation projects for cement pipelines, tube wells, open wells, welcome borings, rigs and compressors, speeds and fertilizers, watershed projects, farmer club, releasing of mortgaged land, tractors and income generation programs like dairy projects, poultry, buffalo, mushroom cultivation, kites and rakhi making, retail shops, leased land cultivation, nursery, chalk making, garment making and artificial ornaments making, etc. Taking it further ahead, now KSSS has implemented programs on agriculture, health, women empowerment, education, child rights, peace and communal harmony, community-based disaster preparedness, HIV and AIDS, and new intervention on female feticide. Major achievements of KSSS: agriculture, 6,000 wells, 2,030 pump sets, 7 deep tube wells which irrigated 150 acres of land benefited by 50 families. 12,378 families have been saved from starvation. Farming families benefited through million kilograms of seeds and fertilizer. More than 1,000 acres of mortgaged land have so far been freed from the moneylenders. Several water tanks have been constructed for irrigation purposes. 8 kilometers long canal have been constructed. 5 kilometers long bund have been constructed. Increase of income through cotton crops, mustard seeds and wheat. After 15 years of drought, the construction of water canals have brought rays of hope in Dhanduka Taluka. Decrease in migration. Due to the watershed program and the pond deepening activity initiated by KSSS in Mahadevpura village, farmers can have easy access in the fields even during monsoons and also can avail drinking water in the summers. Health. Reduced infant mortality, safe delivery, improved health status of pregnant mothers and newborn children, reduced the percentage of malnutrition, capacity building of health workers, emergence of leadership among the community, awareness on home remedies on medicine, improvement of health and hygiene, safe breastfeeding, high rate of children are immunized, established good rapport with the PHC Government Health Department, emergence of 150 SHGs in SMCS village, women empowerment, 1,000 self-help groups formed in target villages, 30% of SHGs have started IGP programs, 8 SHG women are elected as Sarpanch, 38 women as Panchayat members, micro plans in 25 villages executed by the women in consultation with the village Panchayat. 5 projects for women economic and upliftment program received from the Gujarat Social Defence Department. Women show great leadership in Gram Sabha. Education. Food support to 675 Balwadi children and 3,900 boarding children. Trained 73 boarding prefects, children's parliaments in rural and urban areas for promoting their rights. Promotion of child rights. Right to live with dignity, right to protection, right to development, right to participation. Children's parliament being held to promote child rights. Narol Saranyavas children engaged in making clay toys. KSSS has been working for the welfare of ragpicker children, wherein they are provided educational, nutritional and medical support. Peace and communal harmony. 22 action groups among diverse communities formed in the sensitive areas. Women mobilized through formation of self-help groups. Street theatre group named Mashal Sanskritik Manch has been formed and has performed more than 80 skits as well as plays. 10 youth group, inspiration group formed to facilitate inter-religious dialogue. Peace committee constituted by women groups. 2,509 volunteers or community leaders or teachers are trained for peace initiatives. 23,250 people have participated in our peace programs. Children from different schools participating in the games of play for peace. His Excellency Governor of Gujarat, Shri Naval Kishore Sharma, at the concluding ceremony of Peace March in Ahmedabad. Children from Pakistan cricket team participating in a cricket match with Gomtipur children organized by KSSS. Women Peace March for International Peace Day. Community-based disaster preparedness. Reconstructed 112 houses, repaired 27 houses, 75 SHGs, 46 task forces, 7 core committees, all village development committees, and 112 volunteers formed in 9 villages to mitigate rescue work. 300 trees planted and 8 microplans implemented in 8 villages. Partnership with District Disaster Management Authority. HIV/AIDS. HIV/AIDS strategy being promoted by KSSS as our commitment to compassion and care to people living with HIV/AIDS. Our positive friends include safe behavior promotion, care, awareness generation, psychosocial counseling, PLHA networks and advocacy. 3 care and support centers in Umred, Khambolaj and Ramod. Created awareness in 25 slums and more than 75 villages. 220 group awareness programs conducted on HIV/AIDS. More than 1,200 PLHAs received medical and nutritional support and counseling, providing accommodation for the far distant PLHAs during medical test and treatment in Ahmedabad. Karuna Shakti Center at Ramol, Ahmedabad, one of the care and support center engaged in preparing and providing nutritional support to our positive friends. इसका एक ऑप्शन देता हूँ। Karuna Shakti Center at Ramol, Ahmedabad, one of the care and support center engaged in preparing and providing nutritional support to our positive friends. New intervention on female foeticide includes awareness building on Beti Bachao in 7 colleges, 5 schools in Khera, Anand and Ahmedabad district, 3 PTC colleges, 6 PHCs in Anand and Khera district. Awareness on female foeticide in a number of village communities, number of task forces, students taking a rally against female foeticide. Today, Kaira Social Service Society has worked towards a brighter tomorrow for the people of diverse communities. Come, let's make a peaceful society. Come, let's promote justice. Come, let's build a developed society. Come, let's spread human dignity. Come, let's make a society that one can only dream of.